Hello once again, programmers. This is 19 Cups of Java bringing you another game tutorial video. We left off finishing up the fade ball class. The only thing I've added is just the color of the Tritransparency ball, which is the exact same as this, but it doesn't have the transparency value. So basically, what we're going to need for this class is we're going to need a ball, which is going to be our ball that's actually going to be doing all the, like hitting the blocks and all the good stuff. And I think this needs X, Y, color, and J panel. So actually, no, we're not going to do that right there. It's going to be done in the constructor, and I still forgot to put private. And then we're going to need a list, a linked list of fade ball, the one we made last time, and we're going to call it the F ball. And we're going to make that in the constructor too. And what we're going to need for parameters is int x, int y, and jpanel, jp. Alright, now we're going to make the ball first, which is original ball. And it's going to need the x, the y, and the color, which is going to be B color. And it's going to need JP. Alright. Now we're going to make the ball, the fade ball list. And by the way, what this means is basically this list is going to only use fade ball. That's basically what that means. F ball equals new linked list. And put fade ball one more time within these triangle bracket things and parentheses, and that's it. And that's pretty much it for that. Now moving on to this, what we're going to do is we're going to do an if statement, and basically what we're going to do is check if the list size is less than 4. Because I ran into this problem last time, it made way too big of a trail, so we're going to limit the trail to at least 3 balls. So we're going to make a fade ball, new, F ball, or I'll just call it, fade ball, I guess. Fade ball equals new fade ball. And then I think it just needs X and Y. So what we're going to give it is the original balls dot get X and original ball dot get Y. And what this does is it just gets the X and Y values of our original ball, because it's going to be a trail, so it's going to be going in the direction of the last placement of the original ball. So we're gonna make a fade ball and then add it to the list. Fball dot add fade ball. Alright, now what we're gonna do is, I already copied this, so I'm gonna just do this. This is an advanced for loop, so you're gonna put what the object you're trying to loop through is, a variable for it, and then the actual list itself after a colon, and then put it between parameters, and we're going to fade each fade ball, and that's the method we created last time, and we're going to get the transparency value of that one fade ball and check if it's less than 10. And what I'm missing is another list, so linked list fade ball, and I called it garbage balls. And the reason why I copied it is because it just makes up for lost time. So linked list fade ball. And then, so now we add, so basically what this does is it checks the transparency value, and if it's less than 10, we add it to this list right here. And then what we do with it is anything in that list we want to get rid of because it's way too, invisible. So then we can make a new ball that's more, opaque. So what we're going to do is do fball, actually, and we can't do it within the loop because then it messes up and causes errors. So fball dot remove all, and then we give it, and actually you're supposed to do this outside of the loop. I don't know why I put that in there. There we go. Now fball dot remove garbage balls, and that'll remove the balls that are too transparent. And then what we're going to do at the very last one is move the original ball. And you should have this code already that we already went through. So then that's pretty much done with the move method. Now we're going to go to the paint method, which is really easy. We're going to paint the original ball dot move, or paint, sorry, paint G, and then we're going to do the same thing we did up here, but we're just going to put one method in here, which is just copy what you have up here, paste it down here, get rid of this, and then put fb dot paint, and that's pretty much it. And you're going to have to go back to here because I think I told you in the last tutorial I changed this from ball to TritransparencyBall, and our TritransparencyBall requires a X, a Y, and a J panel. So we're going to have to fix that by giving it the original, location we want. So let's just put it somewhere in the middle, which our screen is 300 by 300. So let's do like 125 by 125, and that's all we need. So we can actually look at it now. And actually it looks kind of weird. Hold on. Fade ball. I think it's because I put 10. So get rid of the 10. Just put 0 less than or equal to 0. And that should be fine. That's why, sorry. It's freaking out because it can't paint any transparency value that's less than 0. So, hold on. Let me pause the video real quick and I'll figure this out. Sorry about that. Basically, put it less than or equal to 10. And then I actually changed this to 23. And this is what you get afterwards. Get a... oh, whoops. Oh, and then I screwed it up, sorry. And I actually need to change that to not resizable because then that screws up everything. But yeah, there's our trail. It looks really nice. That's it for this tutorial. Next tutorial, we're going to start getting into the bar mechanics, like at the bottom, so you can actually move around a bar and it'll actually bounce off the bar, so you get that feeling of you're getting involved with the game. So, till next time, programmers, this has been 19 Cups of Java with bringing you another game tutorial video. See you next time.